Hello students, in the continuation of data file handling, today we are going to learn how to modify and delete the records of a text file. To implement the concept of modification, let us do with a question. The question is that replace the occurrence of the word boy with girl in the text file data.txt. This modification and deletion can be done in many ways. Today I will tell you two ways to modify and delete the record of the text file. Let's begin with the easy one. First thing which is required to be remembered is that the data in the text file cannot be modified directly. To modify the record, first we need to change the content of the record, then we have to write it again in the same text file. So first what we are doing, def modify word, let us making a function modify word in which first we are opening the file for the reading mode. File equal to open, then name of the file, let us say data.txt. We are opening the file for the reading mode because we want to read the content of the file. Now just read the data equal to file dot read dot split, because I have to read the data in the form of word, that's why we have read the data and we have split it into the words. Now we are writing the loop in that, for I in data. Now we have split the data, that's why one word will come in I. Now we are checking if I is equal to boy. If I is boy, then what we have done, we have taken a blank string, let us say A. We have taken a blank string A, then here I have written A equal to A plus girl. Means when as soon as the boy word occur, instead of boy we have concatenated, means girl in the string. Now rest of the word are to be written in the same format, that's why I am writing A equal to A plus I and after that space. Why I am writing a space? Because if I do not write the space, then all the word will attach to each other. So here what happened, when the word will come boy, this word boy will be replaced with the word girl and rest of the word will be in the same format. Now A string is ready. We are closing the file. File dot close. Now again we are opening the same file for writing mode. File equal to open. Remember that you open the file only after closing it. So first you close the file, then again open it data dot txt for writing mode. So as I have told you earlier, whenever we open a file in writing mode, a new file is created which replaces the existing file. So the existing file will be replaced with the new file, that is data.txt. Now that is a blank file. Now simply file dot write A. We have written A, in which we have already changed the word boy with girl in the file A. Then simply file dot close. So in this way you can do the modification in the file. You can replace any word, any line or anything else. So this is one of the method. In this method, after changing the data, we are not displaying it, but if we want to display the data in the same function, then again open it with the reading mode, then read the content. Means this is the answer which is required, but if we want to display the data in the same function, then again what you do, okay, let us make another function to display the data after modification. It is not required in the question. Def display file equal to open data.txt. By default it is writing modes. Let us write read mode. By default reading mode. Now data equal to file dot read print data file dot close. In this way you can display the data by calling this function display data. You can write this function. This is code in the same function also if you want to display the data in the same function. Now let us talk about deletion. Again, let us say delete the word boy. Suppose I have to delete the word boy, then how it can be possible? Again, we cannot directly delete any word or any line in the file. Again, the same thing is there. Just you read the data from the file and copy all the words which are not boy in another string and simply write that string in the same file. So def deletion word, we are making a function like this. The name of the function could be anything. First we are opening the file for reading, file equal to open data.txt for reading. Now simply read the data. Data equal to file dot read dot split. Take a blank string, let us say A. Now we are writing loop in data for I in data. If I is not equal to boy, then A equal to A plus I plus space. So in this way, A is a string which will contain all those words which are not boy. Suppose the file has content this boy is good. So first this word is here, then boy is here. Now boy will not be concatenated with A, is will be concatenated and good. Now in this A string, the sentence will be this is good. Boy will not be there because we have written the condition I is not equal to boy. Again close the file, file dot close. Now again open the file for writing mode. File equal to open, name of the file data.txt, it is for writing mode. Now as soon as we open the file for writing mode, it will delete the previous content of the file, because previous file will be replaced with new file. Then simply file dot write a. Now file dot close. So in this way you can delete the content of the file. Thank you.